I'm here, I stand before you to propose a vote of thanks. Really, this evening, this Jubilee celebration has been a gracious and glorious moment for Zabarian family. And because of this Jubilee celebration, we have come together and it has brought us under one Samyana. Beginning with, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to guest of honor, Right Reverend Bishop Fulgence Aloysius Tigga, DD, Bishop of Raiganj Diocese. Your presence has graced the occasion, and indeed we are very happy, and we look up for occasion that you have been a source of our inspiration whenever you have come for the program. And also, I would like to express special thanks to Reverend Father K.C. Stephen S.J., Jesuit Provincial of Dumka Province. As you have been guiding to the province, and with your direction, we are able to work for the greater glory of God. And today we have witnessed for both of them. Let's give a wide applause. Let's all of us clap for them. And also, this Silver Jubilee we have marked today, it is also the hard work of many principals, right from the Varghese Palli, their hard work. And today I would like to name them and thank them in a special way. Father Varghese Palli, Father Alban Minj, Father Francis David Raj, and for a short time we had also Father Nirmal Raj, and right now at present we have Father Damian Tudu. Let's also give a round of applause for all the former principals. And also, I'd like to thank all the vice principals. They have also contributed a lot for the growth of this institution. And I say thank you, fathers, thank you, vice principals, for your generosity, for your hard work, or for your availability. As I said, this day, this evening, is the fruit of many days, and that credit goes to the core cultural Jubilee committee, and I would like to name them. That under the leadership of Sir Badanath and also another leader, Ma'am Sayani, Kinshuk, Swati Yogi, Ranjini, Chandan, Tushar, and we have also another Jubilee Core Committee, Jose, Sanchita, Pran, Kinshuk, Somen, Anita and Kuntal. Really you have planned well. Your meticulous planning we can witness today, this evening, and you have really done well. And let's also give a round of applause for both the Cultural Jubilee Committee and Jubilee Core Committee. Let's give the round of applause. I also express my heartfelt gratitude and heartfelt thanks to different or various committees and all the directors, choreographers, that with your hard work, selection of all the songs, guiding the students, you have taken really your time and you have made this evening really beautiful evening, and we have enjoyed this program. So all the choreographers, without naming them, all the directors, thank you one and all. I also express heartfelt thanks to all the participants, and I would say that students, really you have, with your rhythmic dance and with your songs, you have mesmerized all of us, and we have enjoyed, and still we are enjoying your program, and we will go back, and I hope parents have enjoyed and all our guests really have enjoyed. So thank you students for your wonderful performance. I also thank under the guidance of the Sagar Neil, is our ROXA member. That we see the very beautiful Shamiana and also all these background pictures. You have done well, and I am sure that you will continue to help to the school, and thank you Sagar Neil and your team for all the sound and light system. And we also thank the volunteers. Rarely we see them on the stage acting, but they have acted in a different ways by carrying and helping on the stage. And without any hitch, they have helped, and they have. So we also thank all the volunteers. So let's also thank them all. And also I would like to thank all our guests, especially fathers and sisters from neighboring communities and also far away. Some of you have come and you have doubled our joys, and we are really delighted with your presence, and we are encouraged that like this occasion we feel very happy in our hearts. So thank you fathers and sisters. And also I would like to thank all our co-workers that they have also helped us all arranging the things, carrying all these benches and also other materials. So thank you everybody for your help. And also I'd like to thank all the anchors. I think it is anchors, they make the program beautiful and interesting. And really our anchors have done their job very well. And you have really managed the stage and program very well. So thank you students and all the anchors. Thank you so much. And also at the end I would like to thank all the parents, guardians, that it is